Would you like a cappuccino?
Our barista.
Buongiorno. Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Prego.
So, what can we order first?
You can have espresso, cappuccino, or cafe latte.
Oh,
Yeah.
may I have a cafe latte, please?
Yeah.
Look at
And
that.
then how much I steam the milk, you know, how foamy I make is the difference between a cappuccino.
I just can't wait.
Okay, this is mine. This is
Jovi, and that's Paya.
Kaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Let's
We'll
see.
get a little more steam out of this thing.
She's making a nice picture.
Paul just came here to serve us.
It's true.
Oh.
Oh, yours is better. I'm so happy to work with you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for everything.
Oh, thank you so much for helping us too.
You're really.
We have croissant, donut, cake, coconut cake,
It's certain.
espresso.
May I know why you want to know what I get?
I wanna see if the same what I got.
Oh, comparison, huh? Don't worry. So this you like the green? I can exchange to you if you like.
I think I like the one I have.
Okay. No.
What color? Wow! Huh?
What's yours?
I'll show you
No,
later.
no, which animal?
Tiger. I think.
You're a tiger.
What?
Lovely.
That's what you want, right? Oh, pizza! Pizza!
Pizza What is it?
Kasi there's chicken. That's why there's kanin. Chicken. Say hi. Say hi.
I know, I call it. Can I taste first?
It tastes good.
Okay,
No plates.
go ahead.
Use your, I know, use your bowl.
Happy nurses week. Ay,
Nothing.
had this?
No, nothing.
Okay, let's eat.
There's three there.
Margaritas.
of course. The puto.
Here.
What is this one? The lentils? Okay.
This one, I'll bring it out now.
Wait, sister.
She's put one for out. I think for the that one is for the this. We can put it here in the table. Spicy.
No.
That's it, Vida.
Just warm it up enough. The chicken now.
Oh, so you ordered this one yesterday?
Yeah, last night.
Huh?
Before they close.
You don't get?
No, I told them online.
Is this smoked chicken?
No.
It's a
grilled
grilled
one.
one.
Yeah.
Grilled.
You like the sauce, eh? Looking.
Wala.
Yeah.
It's good.
I need to warm it up a little bit.
Like it?
Yeah.